I have a file with multiple sheets. If I right click on this arrow, I will see all those that are visible now. And I would like to make a table that will list all of them here. So to do that, I will use a name manager where I will make a new name. I will call it sheet names, and I will put here code that will make array with list of all sheets in this table. I will add it in the comment or in description of this video. So when I will close it, I can use transpose function to have it all in one column, and now use these sheet names that I just created. I have two more sheets that are not visible right now. So to unhide it, I will right click and unhide. There is one hidden sheet. So I still have here one sheet that I don't have here anymore, as everything is unhidden, so it's a very hidden sheet. So if I go to VBA, now I can see this very hidden sheet here, and it's marked as very hidden. If I will change it to -1 to visible, now I can see it here. So if I right click and hide and go back to my Visual Basic, I will see it as a hidden. So if you want to super hide some sheet, just go to VBA and select number 2.